we came over and we brought the hood. We got the new hood from Madman. Got it all mounted. We need to do a couple little adjustments so it fits properly. And as you guys can see, the new turbos are mounted. And it's going fast. So hopefully we get a little bit more updates for you guys. And we can keep on giving you guys more info. Let me open this hood. Headers are on, V-bands are on. Super tight fit on the turbos, but it looks like everything's gonna fit and clear. He should be doing the hot side, the rest of the hot side later this week. And then he's gonna have to finish the cold side. He's gonna do a couple other things. We'll keep you guys updated. He modified these tabs, moved the radiator down a little bit so it would clear the turbos. And then we gotta finish bolting the water pump, overflow tank, or expansion tank should I call it. And I think that's it on this side. We're doing a new, what is it called, filter? A new filter, a clear, but we're doing the clear view. I'll show you guys. And he's gonna make some custom mounting brackets. We're getting rid of our custom overflow. We're doing an expansion tank. And then exhaust should exit out the bumper like it was before. So that's gonna be pretty similar. And then this is the new filter. It's a clear view, so we'll be able to check if we got any material going from the motor. If anything's going wrong, we can check it and see it beforehand. We already have a clear view, but it's in the back of the car. Sometimes with the hood, it's kind of hard to check it out, but it's part of the dry sump tank. So for those of you guys asking, it's a mess. This thing's got a clear view in front. It's a clear view dry sump tank, and you can check that out through the top, but the hood's in the way, so kind of hard sometimes. So we're gonna add a second one and put it up in the front. All right guys, so we're out here at MGFAB. We came to check out the car. We came to bring some fittings. The car is 90% done. We do have scheduled pickup in 3 days. The guys are working on it right now. We're gonna give you a little sneak peek of how it's going, and hopefully you guys like it. So check it out. Turbos are placed, charge piping's done, blow-offs, wastegates, hot side, dumps. I think we're missing one little bend on the wastegate dump. Other than that, it's pretty much, like I said, 90% done, and we're doing a couple lines, fittings, and hard lining the wastegates, and I think that's it. Not much left, but it's almost done, so check it out. Hater, me, to I like that we still have access in the middle to like stick our hands in for the bell and stuff.
That's why I kind of wanted to move the radiator a little further down. The thing I haven't checked is the plugs.
What are you cutting them with again?
Grinder.
You want me to cut it with this or no?
Grinder.
Where's the grinder?
Use all the parts. What?
It does look like it works better.
It's a cleaner cut. Nomás que he makes a mess look. you really gotta make sure you clean them. Especially these, because they're going through oil. I'm not the only one, man. Mira dónde va a quedar la pinche. Aquí y va a correr por la barra.
Vamos a
aquí,
turbos.
va a correr por aquí.
No, that is what it is. You put them. Mira.
De nace aceite esa madre. Ay, qué bien, se me viene, güey.
Oh shit.